Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, in the last class we learned the trick that did not work. Isn't it children? Yes, we completed till lesson 3 and today we are going to see the new lesson, that is poem. We are going to see poem 3. Poem 3, make room for elephants. Make room for elephants. Children, this is memory poem. This is memory poem. I'll make you to write. You have to write this one. There are 10 lines are there. You have to memorize and I'll ask for quarterly exam. Children, so you have to learn it. This is memory poem. Okay, children. Now we'll see the poem. Okay. Poem 3, make room for elephants. This was written by Ruskin Bond. This poem was written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, I'll show the picture. He is Ruskin Bond. See, can you see children? Yes, he is Ruskin Bond and he is an Indian author of British descent. British descent means what we'll say, Mamsavali will say, otherwise what Parambarai, like that we will be saying. Okay, his grandfather and their grandparents, they'll be from the British and he is from the British descent and he was born on 19th May 1934. 1934 and now he is 87 years old. He is still alive. He is still alive. Okay, children. Okay. But he is an Indian poet. He is an Indian poet. His what grandparents, they are from British, but he is an Indian poet. Okay. Now I'll read the poem. All of you, you have to take a book. Take to page number 31. Page number 31. Page number 31. What you can do, you have to keep your finger. You have to keep your finger while I'm reading. You should also keep your finger so that when I ask in the Zoom class, you will be able to read properly. Okay. I know the world's a crowded place and elephants do take up space. But if it makes a different lot, I would gladly share my room and board. Sorry, children, not different, difference. Spelling mistake has been there. Okay, children, difference. Diffference. Instead of that, we have put T. Sorry, children, CE will come. Okay, children, difference lot. I would gladly. See, I and comma D is there. Well, how you have to pronounce, children? I would gladly. I would. For that one only short form is I and apostrophe comma and D. I would gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do. Once again, I'll read, children. I know the world's a crowded place and elephants do take up space. But if it makes a difference, Lord, I would gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do. See, wherever comma is there, you have to place that comma, full stop, everything should be there while writing the poem. Okay, children? And I'll read the next lines. But if he brings his mother to dad's garage, he wouldn't mind. 2 elephants, he's more than kind. But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father came to stay. Okay. So children, in this poem, what the author is trying to say means, see, he is going to talk about the elephants, their size, and how a small boy tries to make the elephant fit in his house. Can we make the elephants to be in our house, children? No, it's not possible, isn't it? Because it's very big. It's the biggest animal, isn't it, children? It's the very biggest animal. So, but the author is trying to, he's going to talk about the elephants, their size, and how a small boy tries to make the elephant fit in his house. Okay. Now we'll see line by line. See, first one, I know the world's a crowded place. crowded means what, children? There are lot of what people living in the world, isn't it? See, in Chennai and all, we can see wherever we go, we can see the crowd, isn't it, children? Yes. So crowd means, so crowded place means what? There are lot of people in this world. People are living. Many people are living in this world, isn't it, children? Yes, I know the world is a crowded place. World is a crowded place, and elephants do take up space. So, and elephants do take up space means what, children? Because they are fat, they need more space, isn't it? The elephants are very big and they are fat. So, they take more space. They take more space. But if it makes a difference, Lord, I would gladly share my room and board. So, if there is, if it happens, so if it any difference is there means what, I will be very happy. I will be very happy to share my room and board. My room means his room, the small boy's room, and board means in this poem, not writing board, children. Board means here meals. Meals means food. Okay, children. So the little boy is very happy. He will be very happy to share his room and his meal. His meal, meal, meal. Understood, children? A baby elephant would do. So he is willing to keep the baby elephant also. He is willing to keep the baby elephant would do. But if he brings his mother to, so in the next line, but if he brings his mother to, for now the boy is willing to take the baby elephant with him. He is very eager to keep the baby elephant with him. And now he is telling, if the baby elephant brings his mother also, I will gladly accept, because there is a dad's garage. Garage means what, children? The place where we keep tools. Tools means whatever the waste things, isn't it, children? The tools. Otherwise, what we can say, a motor shed. Otherwise, where we place the cars, where we park the cars, that is called garage. Okay. So the little boy is very happy that he's telling, if the baby, I'll keep the baby elephant also. If the baby elephant brings his mother also, I will accept, because there is my dad's garage. He wouldn't mind. My father will not tell anything. So let the baby elephant and let the baby elephant's mother also, let it come and stay with me. Like that he's telling. To elephants, he's more than kind. He's more than kind means what? His father, the boy's father. So to elephants, he's more than kind means the boy's father is more than kind to the elephants. But I wonder what our mom would say. So what he's telling, I'm not bothered about my father, but I'm worried about my mother, because I don't know what my mother will say. Some of them also, sometimes in our house also, father is very affectionate means mother will be little strict, isn't it, children? If mother is very affectionate means father will be strict. Likewise, so he's worried about his mother, whether what mother will say, like that. If the elephant's father came to see, now what he was telling, first baby elephant he was telling, and then if mother elephant comes also, my father will not tell anything, because there is dad's garage. So I can make the mother elephant to stay in the garage. But I wonder what our mom would say if the father elephant comes to stay. So isn't it, in a house, can 3 elephants stay, children? No, it's very hard, because it's very big. It's very big. So he's thinking, if the father elephant comes means what, my mother is going to tell. He's worried about his mother, because she should not scold him. Can you see the picture, children? See, father, mother, and the little boy. Father, mother, and the little boy. And see, can you see the 3 elephants? Father elephant, mother elephant, and the baby elephant. See, baby elephant is in the middle, isn't it, children? Yes. So the boy was very willing to keep the elephants in his house. Okay, children. So this this is the meaning. What's the meaning, children? See, once again I'll read, children. I know the world's a crowded place and elephants do take up space. But if it makes a difference, Lord, I would gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do. But if he brings his mother too, there's dad's garage, he wouldn't mind. Two elephants, he's more than kind. But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father came to stay. So, see here, children. Once again, I'll explain this one. See what the world is a crowded place. The world is a crowded place. So in this crowded place, the elephants will take more space. The elephants will take more space because of their size, because they are huge in size. So if anything difference happens in this world, if any difference happens in this world, what the small boy is telling, I will be very gladly, very happy to share my room. He is willing to share his room and his meal also to the baby elephant, to the baby elephant. So if anything happens, any difference happens in this world, I will keep the baby elephant and I will share my room and I will share my meal, he is telling. And next one he is telling, but if he brings his mother too, so if the baby elephant brings his mother also, my father is very kind. My father is very kind. So what he will do? He will give his dad's garage. Dad's garage means where the father parks the car. Otherwise, we can say where we keep the waste things, tools. Otherwise, motor shed, like that it will be. So father elephant can stay there. So my father will not tell anything because he is also very kind to elephants. But I am too much worried because I wonder what my mother would say when elephant's father come to stay. So he was very sad that what if the baby elephant's father comes means what my mother will say. This is the meaning of this poem. Okay, children. So the author is willing to, he is talking about the elephant size. Understood, children? Elephant size and how a small boy trying to make the elephants fit in his house. Okay, children. See, have you? It's very easy poem, isn't it, children? I think you have learned this one. You have understood the meaning, isn't it, children? Only last again I will read one time, children, and then I will complete this one. Okay. All of you listen, children, keep your finger. I know the world's a crowded place, and see, comma is there. You have to place comma. And elephants do take up space, comma. But if it makes a difference, Lord, comma, I would gladly share my room and board, full stop. A baby elephant would do. See, there a continuous dot is there, isn't it? Yes. But, comma, if he brings his mother too, comma, there's dad's garage, full stop. He wouldn't mind. See here, two sentences are there. There's dad's garage. He wouldn't mind. See, there are apostrophe commas up, isn't it? For there's, dad's, and wouldn't. So this and all you should not forget. Two elephants. He is, see, apostrophe comma, more than kind, full stop. But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father came to stay, exclamatory mark. We'll say Achirikuri, isn't it? Exclamatory mark. And this poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, children, don't forget it's a memory poem. And see, in the next class, I'll be teaching you the book exercise. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you.